Okay, to anybody that sees my video here, this is a 2012 Nissan Sentra SR. It's got only 42,747 miles. But the thing is the radio, okay? It went off and on like once or twice, and then now all of a sudden it went off and it stayed off. As you can see, I could put the marker lights on, off. It's got lights to it. And also, if I do this with the eject for the CD, turn this air off. I don't know if you can hear that. It's trying to eject the CD, but if I put a CD in it, it will not take it or do anything, but it'll happily push the CD back out, which is what I don't understand. But now there is fuses up under, well, you can't see, I can't turn the light on now since I'm recording, up under the dash here on the left side. And there's fuses under the hood. One here, under here is a 10 amp red one, says radio. Place that. Under the hood, there's one that says audio, and I think that was a 20 amp. I replaced that. And still, nothing. I thought maybe it was just the radio. We have it on the steering wheel here too. Degrees out here still. I just don't get it. Why would it suddenly, oh, sorry, focus, do this kind of crap? Anyway, if anybody knows what else I could check or how to take this apart, please get at me. Or what else I could check without having to take it apart. I mean, you know what I mean? So, I gotta go. My neighbors are back. I'm gonna talk to my friend here.